Bro, have you ever seen a coin that started just for fun, but ended up making someone a new millionaire in the crypto world? Well, that's PEPE Coin. A coin that initially was just a meme of a green frog on the internet suddenly turned into $1 billion project. But the question is this just hype or is there something behind it? Hey Anton, and on this channel we discuss crypto without drama, without FOMO, and without stressing over charts every second. So if you want to learn in a relaxed way, but still understand the market direction, don't forget to subscribe, bro. Alright, now let's explore why Pepe could explode like that. Pepe appeared in April 2023 on the Ethereum network. Funny enough, it has no white paper, no roadmap, and even its official team is unclear. It just emerged from the darkness of the internet, carrying only one legendary thing, the Pepe the Frog. Meme, a symbol of freedom, mischief, and a bit of online craziness. And you know what bro, kadang-kadang project yang nampak tidak serius pada mulanya boleh meletup terlebih dahulu. Because at that time, the crypto community was craving entertainment, tired of complicated DeFi and NFT projects. Tiba-tiba, sebuah koin sederhana dan lucu muncul yang membuat orang tertawa, seperti oasis di tengah-tengah pasar yang kacau. Since the community was super active, the meme spread everywhere. From Twitter, now X, Telegram, Reddit, to Discord. Big influencers started joining in, and the domino effect began. The price of Pepe literally skyrocketed by thousands of % in just a few days. It even made people say, crypto is back, bro. But this time in frog form. Just imagine, you deposit 1 million rupiah in the first days, and it could turn into hundreds of millions in just a month. But yeah, those are the crypto miracles times, bro. A time when people don't need logical reasons to believe. Just a tight-knit community, funny narratives, and perfect timing, and miracles can happen. But on the other hand, it's also a reminder for us. What rises so rapidly can also fall just as quickly. The true strength of PEPE is not in the code, not in the blockchain, and not even in smart contracts, but in something that can't be cloned, internet culture. You know, bro, memes have a strange power. Sometimes they can beat the marketing strategies of giant companies. One funny picture, one quirky caption can make millions of people laugh and feel connected. Well, Pepe really understands how to play in that space. The Pepe community isn't just about buying and selling tokens. Mereka membawa karakter itu hidup. Some create fan art, some sell Pepe-themed NFTs, and others spam funny stuff on Twitter, X, until it goes viral everywhere. Even their Telegram group is lively like a midnight coffee shop, full of jokes, screenshots, and new memes every minute. What's interesting is, they have a relaxed mindset that's super contagious. We're not here to be Elon Musk, bro. Kami hanya ingin bersenang-senang. Jika kita tiba-tiba menjadi kaya, anggaplah itu bonus dari alam semesta. You know, in the crypto world, this kind of mental state is more dangerous than a marketing budget of millions of dollars. Karena sekali seseorang tertawa, 2 orang retweet dan 10 orang membeli. The snowball effect happens very quickly. Major influencers who were previously indifferent start to join in. Some even create reaction content about Pepe. Eventually, big exchanges like Binance, OKX, and KuCoin can't resist. They list Pepe because the demand is crazy. And once Pepe officially appears on major exchanges, boom! FOMO meledak di mana-mana. Crypto timelines are full of green frogs. Everyone is talking about Pepe. In a short time, it levels up. From a random meme on the internet to a new icon after Doge and SHIB. So here's the deal, bro. When Pepe was born, its total supply was set at 420 trillion tokens. Yeah, 420 trillion. The number itself already sounds like a joke prepared intentionally. Anda harus mengerti, kan? The number 420 has a special meaning in internet culture. A funny number, relaxed, and associated with the just chill, bro lifestyle. And the number 69 also frequently appears in their meme material. So from the very beginning, its DNA was a total parody of the seriousness of the crypto world. But behind its humor, there's one thing that actually makes Pepe respected by its community. Its launch was truly fair. 93% dari seluruh pasokan langsung dimasukkan ke dalam kolam likuiditas Uniswap selama peluncuran awal. This means no complicated distribution, no pre-sale, no private sale. Regular people had the same chance to buy from the start. No one was advantaged behind the scenes. The remaining 7% was divided into two things. Some was burned, some was distributed for community purposes, like marketing and meme campaigns. Interestingly, there are no major wallet developers secretly hoarding millions of tokens to sell when the price rises. So the community can be confident that no one can dump arbitrarily. That's why many say Pepe is just a meme, but fair. Very different from most other projects that are set up from the start to benefit the development team. Pepe instead seems to signal to the world, bro, this is not a financial project. This is a celebration of internet culture. And maybe that's what makes people believe. Because there are no false promises, no scammy white papers. Just community, humor, and transparency. It's simple, but that's where its appeal lies. But don't get me wrong, bro. Pepe isn't without risks. Many people see its chart skyrocketing and think, wow, this must be the next DOGE. But it's not that simple. Forgasso. First, Pepe is purely a meme coin. That means no product, no new technology, no clear roadmap. Not like Ethereum with smart contracts or Solana with its super fast network. Pepe is just a symbol, just culture, not infrastructure. So its value is entirely determined by how strong its community can maintain the hype. Second, because it has no real utility, PEPE's price is easily swayed by sentiment and whales. One tweet from a big influencer can make the chart jump wildly, but one dump from a large wallet can immediately drag the price down. And in the meme coin world, fluctuations of tens of % in a day are just like breakfast, bro. Not unusual. Third, the more famous a coin gets, the more scammers jump on its bandwagon. There are now many fake tokens claiming to be Pepe new version, but they are just trap smart contracts ready to drain your wallet. There are also fake sites pretending to give Pepe airdrops, but once you connect your wallet, goodbye balance. That's why I always tell new viewers, if you want to join, just consider PEPE as entertainment. Like buying a concert ticket or entering a lottery, fun, but don't put all your money into it. Jika kamu membuat keuntungan, hebat. If you get stuck, well, at least you have a funny story to share with friends. And this is very important, bro. Pepe is a symbol of fun in the crypto world, not a financial instrument you can rely on for the future. So just enjoy the process, but stay sane. Stay wise. In my personal opinion, PEPE isn't yet suitable for daily installment like BTC, ETH, or XRP. But for those of you who really want to experience the sensation of playing in the meme world, it's okay to buy little by little, as long as you're aware of the risks. As for me, I still buy coins with strong fundamentals. But I don't turn a blind eye. PEPE is an important part of crypto history. From here, we learn one thing. The community can overcome fundamentals. So the conclusion, bro, PEPE is not about technology, but about digital culture and the global community. It proves that the internet can still work wonders. Now it's your turn. Do you believe PEPE is just hype? Or will it become the new generation Doge? Write your opinion in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so more people can learn how to think casually but smartly in the crypto world.